So guys, I'm gonna draw an elephant. Number one, we're gonna shape it like this. Number two, we're gonna put some ears down like this. Two of the ears. So it's not that difficult. Number three, we're gonna put it shape down. I'm not good at this. Okay. And we're gonna put this thing on her head. Okay. Everyone looks, and it's not good that, but it's okay. And we're gonna use some eyeliner to do it. Just like this. Just like this, okay. And we're gonna put this hole in it, and every spot should have this, and have some and do it, and put it down, and we're gonna liner it. It's okay when you want liner. And here's an elephant.
What? Dora.
We have finished the elephant now. You see?